Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be making a delicious, crispy, homemade French fries recipe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start this recipe off today by peeling our potatoes. As you can see, I'm using 2 large potatoes for this recipe today. Alright, so we're just going to start off by slicing the edges off. So we're basically making a flat surface. We're just trying to make it as equal size as possible. They don't have to be perfect or anything. Just like that. And then we're just going to make our slices. Just try to make them as uniform as possible. And then we're just going to add these potatoes to some cold water, and that's just going to help to remove that extra starch from the potatoes and prevent our potatoes from turning brown. So we're just going to continue the same steps with this one. Alright, so these are looking pretty uniform, right? They're not perfect, but they're good to go. Alright, so we're just going to add these to some cold water and let them sit for about 30 minutes. Alright guys, like I said, we're just going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're just going to remove the potatoes from the water, alright? Alright guys, time to start making our fry seasoning. A little bit of cayenne pepper, garlic salt, complete seasoning, parsley flakes, Creole seasoning, a little bit of salt, and some all-purpose seasoning. This is gonna be so good, guys. Alright guys, so we're just gonna poach our potatoes for about 5 minutes. After that 5 minutes period, then we'll just remove it from the hot water, pat them dry on some paper towel, and let them sit for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to make the best French fries ever, guys. All right, so just add a little bit of cornstarch, about a tablespoon. This is gonna add that extra crispy, crunchy texture to the French fries. And once your oil is nice and hot, then you could go ahead and add all these, beautiful potato sticks, that soon will be French fries to the oil. Oh yeah, sizzle, sizzle. If you're using a fryer at home, just go ahead and turn your fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you should be good. We're gonna fry our French fries until they are nice and crispy. Guys, our French fries are good to go. These are so crispy. Crispy, crunchy, guys. So the inside is nice, you know, and soft. Outside is crispy. All right, now we're just gonna add some of that seasoning that we made earlier. Toss it around. Oh yes. Wow. These French fries, guys, are so delicious. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.